Baby, can you pray, pray tonight? Baby, can you pray, pray for us? Oh, baby, can you pray? 'Cause every time you make time, it's only to the end. So pray tonight. So you won't for every run that we had, Mr. Right, and I knew it. But I've been ready every day. You know everything's alright.
I immediately stopped working when a sound came from my left hand side. I raised my left hand to hold that thing which we call phone. And there I saw a message from a beautiful woman hanging on my home screen, which is saying that, babe, did you reach her? And have you had your dinner? Now, babe is just about to go home and typed on the keyboard and clicked the send button. She's seen it but didn't reply. So Mrs. John is got angry. No problem, I know how to change my angry bird into a cute woodpecker. No, my listpecker. Would be better. Your name. Now I am missing you more. Actually, my wife, Mrs. John, your name went to her parents 2 weeks and they were missing her, or we can say missing their grandson, Jeon Jungwon, my baby boy, who is 3 months infant. I'm getting more late now. It would be better if I tell you my life story in car. So let's go. Now I'm driving and it's only 20 minutes more to reach my home. But suddenly a call appears on my phone. But as I'm driving, I didn't attend it, and some second later it got cut. I stopped my car outside and opened my phone. But it was just an unknown number, so didn't call back. But then my eyes stopped at my wallpaper, in which my wife is holding our baby, looking damn gorgeous, and our baby with his cute innocent face pulling his mama's hair. He's precious to both of us. They both are precious to me. He's not like those babies who just cry and give so much work and trouble. I'm not saying they are not cute. They are. And all babies are innocent, which can never be seen in an adult or even teenagers. I got out of my car before locking it and headed towards the main door. I unlocked it with my spare keys and entered before keeping my briefcase on the couch and removing over my coat. Losing my tie, I entered into the kitchen and opened the fridge, taking a bottle of water. I poured some water in the glass before attaching it to my lips, drinking water with glass. So, after some minutes later, I headed upstairs to our bedroom. I held the doorknob before twisting it, and there I got shocked. As he twisted the knob before opening the door slowly, his eyes got widened because of what he saw. And yeah, there she is, his woodpecker. Oh no, his lipspecker. I mean his wifey, your name, sitting on the bed wearing a hot and sexy nightgown. I rubbed my eyes with both of my hands as I could never believe what I saw. It's like I was having hallucination. But she immediately looked up before smiling widely at me and got up. She came towards me and hugged me tightly, snuggling in my chest. But I was in my own world, like, how can she be here? She should be at our parents' house. Then how? And where is Jungwon? I was totally confused. And why did she texted me? Then when she is here only? She looked up while pouting, realizing that I didn't hug her back. She looked at me like she was reading my mind and smiled before pecking my lips softly. And then next, I have her confused look. You missed me? How come you're here? Ah, this is your old habit. Whenever I ask you something, you do not answer me but ask question of yours. Now tell me, darling, didn't you miss me? I smiled at her. She really knows me well. I picked her up before giving her a tight hug and gently touched her lips with mine. Slowly, that touch became a deep kiss. I roamed my hands on her back, which was bare, just some strings were knotted. After breaking the kiss, while breathing heavily, I joined my forehead with. Staying like that for some seconds, I said to her, I missed you so much, literally. Wanted to just go to your parents' house and bring you back here. By the way, when you came back, and where is Jungwon? I was also missing you, so thought why not just to go to my home back. And you know what? You're my home. She said and kissed my cheeks while a pink shade of blush appeared on my face without me knowing. And about Jungwon? He will stay there with them and will come here after 3 days. Okay. But now don't waste your time. I already prepared our dinner. Let's go. You're there? Thank you, my baby. I'm just coming after getting fresh. Okay. I smiled and kissed her on forehead before heading towards our bathroom opening. The bathroom door I saw, the bathtub, was beautifully decorated with candles and flowers. So she did this as well for me, my princess. After 15 minutes, I came out of the bathroom while wearing a sweatpants and loose t-shirt. I saw her back facing me doing something on the window side of our room. I walked towards her and wrapped my arms around her and saw she was arranging food on the table with some candles on. So my baby arranged a candlelight dinner at home. I saw there was blush appeared on her face. I chuckled before pecking her bare neck, bare back and shoulder. She shivered under my touch. I know how my touches still have effect on her. Do you like it? She said with a more sweet and soothing voice. Of course, my wifey. Damn, it looks so yummy. But you know, who made this food looking more yummy and tempting? I just wanna make love with you, my princess. When he said this, a shiver ran down my spine because it's his first time saying that. After we got to know that I was pregnant, he didn't even say that he was needy or he wants me, as he didn't want to hurt me, but I know how he controls himself. I mean, it's not in his hands to prevent himself from getting a boner. It's natural, my poor baby. But I think it's time to break that boundaries which he kept around himself. Princess, where are you lost? It's been a year now. I'm waiting for you. Let's eat now. He said in my ear before packing there. He held my hand before making me sit down on chair and himself on chair in front of me. After eating and washing dishes, he also helped me in that. We came into our bedroom. He half-wayed on the bed, keeping his head on the headboard looking at me, where I was applying body moisturizer on my smooth skin. Sitting in front of mirror, I looked into the mirror. My eyes met his, but I immediately looked down as I was blushing. I stood up, turning towards the bed, and saw him smiling widely towards me. He slowly opened his arms, indicating me to come there and hug him so tightly, and I did, as I can't resist him. He softly kissed on my forehead before looking towards my lips. I smiled and attached my lips on his and felt him sucking my lower lips teasingly. After some moments later, he broke the kiss as I was out of the breath. He kept looking at me like he's finding something, or can say, finding the permission to let him mark me as his again after a year. What are you waiting for? Just devour me already. What? Jungkook, didn't you say you won't make love with me? Hmm?